Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a delicious chicken curry that is going to be prepared in only 20 minutes. The recipe is for 2 persons, and for that I need 2 chicken breasts. But the most important thing though are the spices and herbs. Here I got chili, ginger, fresh coriander, onion and garlic. The mild green pepperoni goes into the rice after the rice is done. The spices I'm going to use are each 2 teaspoons sweet paprika powder, curry powder, ground turmeric and 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Furthermore, we need some coconut oil, coconut cream, the best is 100% coconut milk, which is not diluted with water, and canned tomato sauce. I start by cooking the rice first because it takes about 20 minutes to get done. If you want to know how I make this fluffy rice, I put a link up here and you can watch this video that is going to tell you some hacks on how to get fluffy rice that doesn't stick. I cut the chicken breasts in very fine slices because the chicken will simmer in the sauce for only 6 to 8 minutes to prevent it from getting cooked dry. After cutting, I season it with salt and pepper. I start by putting ginger, chili, onion and garlic into the hot pan and roast it for a minute with the coconut oil. After a minute or so, I add the spices, which are going to be roasted as well for at least a minute to develop their full flavor. This step is quite important because otherwise your spices can't get to their full potential and just fall flat. This, by the way, goes for most of the exotic spices. You'll get what I mean when you take in the wonderful smell that comes out of your pan. After 2 minutes, I add the tomato sauce to marry the sauce with the spices and let it boil up briefly. So now comes the chicken, which I put in the center of the pan, and this will simmer now for about 6 to 8 minutes. I just look that it's well distributed in the pan and I move it around once in a while. After 6 minutes or so, you're gonna see that the chicken is well cooked, and now we can pour in the coconut cream. So one more time, we let everything boil up briefly, and then it's time to enjoy this delicious chicken curry. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and give it a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified for more videos like this to come. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!